dear students, I'm very glad to see you again. Please prepare your pens and copybooks to make some notes. Today, during the lesson, we will understand why do we have rules, review the vocabulary related to rules, and learn the use of modal verbs. Moving on, students, we are going to read two texts about school rules around the world. By the way, children, do you think the rules are the same in all schools around the world? You are correct. Basically, all the rules are the same. Okay, children, let's start reading the text. Please listen and follow me. While reading, pay attention to the underlined words. Underlined words asты сызылған сөздер. Rules in England. My school has a lot of rules. Here is a list. We have to wear uniforms. We must switch off mobile phones during lessons. We mustn't run in the corridors. We can bring a packed lunch or buy food from the canteen if we need. We can't leave school during a lesson. Posted by Sally. Text number 2. Rules in Kazakhstan. Here in Kazakhstan, we also have a lot of rules to follow. We must be in school by 8:30 a.m. and mustn't be late. We should be polite to teachers, each other, and visitors. We mustn't use our mobile phones and other electronic equipment during our lessons. We need to keep our classrooms clean and tidy. Posted by Ayolum. Dear children, in the text you can see underlined words. What are they? That's right, they are the modal verbs must and mustn't. Dear students, here we will learn a grammar structure of modal verbs. Please listen to the sentences carefully. I must do my homework. I mustn't be late for school. I must wear our school uniform. I mustn't run in the corridor. But students, remember, we use must to express a duty. Достар, біз must сөзін бір нәрсені міндеттегенде қолданамыз, яғни ережелерде. For example, you must keep your hands clean. It's a rule. Сен қолыңды таза ұстауың керек. Бұл ереже. And we use mustn't to express prohibition. Mustn't сөзін біз тыйым салғанда қолданамыз. Example, we mustn't shout in the library. You aren't allowed. Біз кітапханада айқайламауымыз керек. Рұқсат берілмеген. Dear students, also be careful. The main verb used without to. Құрметті оқушылар, сөйлемдегі негізгі етістік to шылауынсыз қолданылады. Құрметті оқушылар, to негізгі етістіктің алдына қолданылмайды. Examples. We must give well-presented work. We must listen carefully. We mustn't cheat during the test. And dear students, we say, we don't say. Examples. We must be polite with all the adults. We say. We must to be polite with all the adults. We don't say. Number 2. We must keep our things in order. We say. We must to keep our things in order. We don't say. And the last sentence. We mustn't swing on a chair. We say. We mustn't to swing on a chair. We don't say. Dear students, it's time to practice our grammar skills. Your task is to read the sentences carefully and find the mistakes. You have some time to do this task. Dear students, if you are ready, let's check. Sentence number 1. You must to keep your classroom tidy and neat. Where is the mistake? That's right. 2. The right sentence is you must keep your classroom tidy. Sentence number 2. We mustn't making the mess. Where is the mistake? That's right, we use the main verb without ing. The right sentence is we mustn't make the mess. Sentence number 3. We must to respect your teacher. Where is the mistake? That's right, we use the main verb without to. We must respect your teacher. Sentence number 4. You mustn't clean up after yourself. Where is the mistake, children? That's right. Sentence number 4. You mustn't clean up after yourself. Where is the mistake? That's right. This sentence can't be negative. The right sentence is you must clean up after yourself. And the last sentence, you mustn't disturbing your classmates. The right sentence is you mustn't disturb your classmates. Dear students, here is the next task. Fill in the gaps with must or mustn't. Let's do this task together. Number 1. Stop watching TV. You must or mustn't? That's right. You must do your homework. Sentence number 2. You must brush your teeth every morning. Sentence number 3. Which one do we use? Must or mustn't? You are correct. We use mustn't, negative form. You mustn't drop the litter in the streets. Sentence number 4. When it's red, you... Absolutely right. You mustn't cross the road. And the last sentence. You must or mustn't? That's right. You must help your parents with the chores. Dear students, it's time to play a game. It is called color grouping. The question is, what things must we do and what things mustn't we do? Here you can see 12 rules. Your task is to choose the color red or blue. If we must do the things, we will choose blue color. If you mustn't do things, we will choose red color. Let's play together. Be organized, chat during the lessons. Which colors do we choose? First, is it red or blue? That's right, be organized is blue because we must be organized. Chat during the lessons. Is it red or blue? You are absolutely right. It is red. Chat during the lessons. We mustn't do. Next, Cheat in tests. Red or blue? Of course, it is red because we mustn't cheat in tests. Be on time. You are correct. It is blue. We must be on time. Learn your lessons well. Must we do or mustn't we do? That's right. We must learn lessons well. It is blue. Next, respect your classmates. Of course, we must respect our classmates. Next rules. Participate and ask questions. Blue or red? Well done, it is blue. We must participate and ask questions during the lessons. Eat or drink in classes. Blue or red? That's right, it is red because we mustn't eat or drink in classes. Well, dear students, it's time to finish our lesson. Today we discussed the use of modal verbs must and mustn't. We revised the vocabulary related to rules. I hope that you are doing your best each lesson. Goodbye.